Hey everyone, welcome back. Markets don't move randomly, they move in patterns, driven by behavior, structure, and narrative. Let's dive straight into the official post from @BlockDAG Network on March 25th, 2026 at around 8:20 GMT. The tweet read, "We request @CoinMarketCap to review and remove the BDAG per USDT trading pairs from Pionex and Coinstore. These markets are showing inaccurate pricing and inconsistent liquidity, which does not reflect the official BDAG ecosystem and may mislead users. Kindly investigate and take appropriate action at the earliest." Moments later, a second, nearly identical tweet followed, this time focusing solely on the Pionex pair. To understand why this matters, rewind to early March 2026. BlockDAG launched trading on Coinstore, Pionex, LBank, Bitmart, and other platforms, boldly calling it one of the biggest launches ever. They targeted approximately 5 cents, complete with futures trading, marketing events, and aggressive promotion. In the first days, prices surged, reaching as high as 10 cents to 17 cents 6 on some platforms, and the token quickly climbed CoinMarketCap rankings. But just 3 weeks later, the story shifted drastically. After a brutal drop to roughly 0.3 of a cent, more than 98% decline, the team publicly asked CoinMarketCap to remove these pairs due to inaccurate pricing and inconsistent liquidity. From an investor's perspective, this is jarring. The same market that once validated the project is now being disowned. The complexity started from day one. Deposits and withdrawals on Coinstore and Pionex were restricted, marked TBD or per project's request. While trading was technically open, most pre-sale and after-sale holders, controlling a significant portion of total supply, could not deposit freely. This created a partial market, with liquidity coming primarily from new buyers. Price discovery was incomplete. Meanwhile, the official BlockDAG website continued after sales at 0.7 of a cent, using priority codes like Final Trade. New entrants bought at a deep discount, while early holders remained locked under vesting schedules. The playing field was uneven. Community reaction on X was immediate and overwhelming. Over 231 replies and more than 25,000 views in hours. Roughly 85 to 90% expressed frustration, anger, and accusations of scam or rug pull. Only a small minority, about 10 to 15%, defended the move, citing the planned June liquidity unification. The removal request came after nearly 20 days of visible price erosion, not at the first sign of problems. Opting for a public appeal to CoinMarketCap, rather than quietly coordinating with exchanges to open deposits and deepen order books, looks more like narrative management than structural problem solving. A June liquidity unification may exist in the roadmap, but waiting more than 2 months while continuing discounted after sales leaves the current structure feeling misaligned and poorly timed. The current price, around 0.3 of a cent with 24-hour volume near $17 million, is real. It reflects the limited participation, uneven supply flow, and a market not fully open. Once again, structure beats narrative. To put it into perspective, a healthy project is usually transparent from the start, coordinates privately with exchanges to open deposits quickly, halts after sales once trading is live, communicates honestly about vesting and unlocks, and treats exchange prices as feedback. An unhealthy project, by contrast, as we see here, hypes listings aggressively, keeps access restricted per project's request, continues discounted after sales, and then publicly rejects market prices when they fall. This creates an uneven playing field where early investors bear unnecessary risk. From my personal perspective, having invested here, this situation is deeply confusing and concerning. The project's actions raise serious questions about transparency and fairness, and strong marketing cannot replace a well-aligned structure. The cliffhanger remains. What will happen during the upcoming unlock phases? Will deposits finally open fully, or will the controlled supply pattern continue? The uncertainty is real and has direct consequences for anyone with capital at stake. I strongly encourage you to read the official post yourself and scroll through the comments. The overwhelming majority reflect deep frustration and distrust, an important signal for any investor evaluating the situation. The link to the BlockDAG X post is in the comments. This is not financial advice. It is my personal perspective, because I have invested money here, and the situation has grown increasingly complex. If you found this breakdown useful, like, comment, and share your thoughts. In future updates, we'll continue watching how unlocks, deposit openings, and liquidity improvements reshape the market, and whether early holders finally get a fair playing field.